OpenAI CEO Altman informed during staff Q&A that company would release its latest model GPT 5.6 in a limited preview to a small group of partners. Now, what does this mean? So, US government is reportedly asked or has reportedly asked OpenAI to delay the wider release of GPT 5.6, which is apparently as good as Mythos 5 or Fable 5. So, instead of launching to everyone, OpenAI said to be rolling it out to only small group of government approved partners first for additional security testing, and then it'll be rolled out to everyone else. Now, this is good from AI regulation standpoint, but bad because all of this red testing is already being done at Open, and you don't need additional partners to do the testing before the is completed. Now, this might sound familiar because something like this happened just a few weeks ago. Anthropic was forced to suspend access to its most powerful models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, following the export control directives, and it's still not back. And at first, many people did think that this was a one off because Anthropic's team published Fable 5 as a model that was very dangerous out there. But if these reports are accurate, we are seeing a pattern here. The most capable AI models may no longer launch like smartphones or apps. They could be reviewed, delayed, and released in stages based on government approval and specific countries per se. So, whether you support that or not, it's a major shift. The AI race is no longer just about building the smartest model anymore. It's about being a part of the group that gets access to it, because if you can't have access to the most cutting edge models out there, it basically means that there is a small percentage of people that are doing really well in this space as compared to how you are doing, because you don't have access to that level of intelligence just yet. Now think of this from the standpoint of bio research and a bunch of these research automation use cases, and imagine what happens when something like AGI becomes a reality. In that scenario, this would be dangerous because AGI affects entire humanity, and restricting the access to a chosen few could become super dangerous in the long run. I don't know what you guys think about this. Let me know. And for more AI based stories, please subscribe.